Do you know what you are going to become tomorrow? Can you decide your future? Do you have the clarity about your dreams and goals? If not, then why? Where is the problem is happening? And why do you all lagging with that? Always remember that what you think that only you will become, as many of we know that. But where are we lagging then? The problem is with our environment, with our surrounding. We think a lot, but we are unable to implement in our life because we don't have the willpower to trust yourself. So here I'll just really wanted to suggest a book. The book name is As a Man Thinketh. Please have that book in your library and just start reading. That is only of the 45 pages, and that book will really transform your mentality, the way how we create the environment, like supposed to be. Now if you think all the time that person is not loving, why the jealousy is, why the hate, why ignorance, what will happen? Your personality will develop in a such a way only. You will become one day a negative person. But the thing is, if you'll see, some people will all the time will be laughing, lot of peace, lot of content they will be having all the time. They will be just growing in their life. Why so? Because those type of person always have practice towards their own personality, where they have to just involve in the positivity. They always share the love, they always care, they always do the service, they always think the solution part of their life. But generally what happens with the most of the people, we are unable to do it. Supposed to be, we have made a timetable, but we are unable to do. Why are we unable to do? Here only you should think, why I am unable to doing? Because you don't have the target for that, you don't have the zeal to do that, you don't have the proper planning for that. You are not imagining what are you going to become tomorrow. If every day you are stealing something, what will happen? One day you will become a thief. If every day supposed to be you are giving something to someone, what will happen? Obviously you will become a very good monk, or otherwise a social worker, or a very good leader. Here the very simple techniques you should understand. Whatever you wanted to become, if supposed to be you want to become an officer, an army officer, then what you have to do it, lot of physical activity you have to do. You should aware of the what is happening around you. You should have a proper goal setting of your health and everything of your mind and all. This happens with all type of the careers. So understand here, are you fit for those type of goal? Are you imagining? Are you understanding after 10th where I should be? After 12th where I should be? Which college I am going to take the admission? After my graduation, where I should go? What I have to do? These are the called proper planning. Planning doesn't mean that you should only imagine that I am the topper of the class and I will become. No. Every day you need to plant a seed in your mind. You need to imagine. So here, first of all, your thought, then words, then your action. So here, whatever the planning, whatever you are thinking, if you wanted to become an IS officer, whether a software engineer, whether a doctor, whether a social worker, start imagining from now. Have a proper thought, have a proper goal setting, and do take the action daily. Then only you can just become that person. So here I request, don't waste your time after your any type of, whether you are working from home, whether you are attending the online classes and all. After that, understand, are you giving importance to your planning? Did you read any new book? Did you write something good? Did you plan your goal properly? Did you focus on that or not? Are you adding any value for the society and all? These are the small steps daily, something you need to do. Little bit only you have to do. Only add one person extra in your life, then just see how the transformation will happen. And whatever you are thinking right now, it has to happen. So here the main purpose of today's this life skill is topic is, please have better tomorrow. And better for the better tomorrow, you should have a better planning of your present. as wherever, whether you read Bhagavad Gita, Bible, Quran, even in the Yoga Sutra, wherever you go, and if you are finding any knowledge, everywhere it is mentioned only the one thing: live in the present, plan in the present. If you are doing in the present all these things, then only you are going to get the good fruits in the future. Otherwise, what is going to be happen? Only the dreaming, dreaming, dreaming. There are so many dreamers. We don't need right now dreamers. Right now, more than that, we need a action gamer. Okay, so please stop the wasting of your time, which already we have done a lot, and focus on the goal what you wanted to become. Imagine those goal and implement every day that, and just wait for the result which you cannot imagine. For that, only the one secret is do every day something. Okay, because that your present action is going to decide your future result. So I hope that you all will make a proper timetable, you all will start reading the good books, you all will start doing something a little for the society. So thank you so much.